letter E. Okay. Sound of the letter E is A. 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 This is the letter E. Okay. Now trace along with me. Firstly, we have to make a standing line. From the above, we have to make a sleeping line. From the middle, once again a sleeping line. And from the below, once again a sleeping line. Means you have to make 3 sleeping lines. Yes. This is the upper case of letter E. And this is the lower case of letter E. Okay. Now we will trace the letter E in air. Okay. 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 All of you raise your 2 fingers. Raise your 2 fingers, all of you. Raise your 2 fingers. Make a standing line. Then from the above, make a sleeping line. From the middle, make a sleeping line. Then from the down, make a sleeping line. This makes the letter E. Okay? Okay. And tell me, which letter is this? Which letter is this? E. Tell me, what is this?
Elephant.
Yes, very good. This is elephant. Elephant. The beginning sound of elephant is letter E. Okay? What is this? Egg. Egg. Okay. Eagle. Elephant. Envelope. Engine. Elbow. All of you blink your eyes. Yes, Kyra, this is your puzzle game, okay? Now you have to connect these letters which have the beginning sound E, okay? And you have to complete this mat, okay? Do you understand? Yes, Kyra, connect this Eskimo to the mat. Connect? Yes, connect it. Okay, clap for yourself.